they're saying the sky is orange. We're waiting for a storm. It does look orange, guys. It looks blue in the camera. Huh. Where's lightning?
I just saw lightning.
You always see lightning, and I don't.
I know, look out for lightning.
I know you do, because you're a meteorologist. Yeah, but the eye is orange. But I'm looking through here, and it's blue. Wow, guys. Gosh, it looks horrible. It's bright. Well, not bright like that, but blue. It's like a glow. And windy and cold. I'll check it out and see if it looks bright. Or not bright, but if it's glowing. Orange. Alright, love you guys. Oh my goodness, excuse me. Here's my skies. Wednesday morning. Good Lord, I sneeze every time I record this up. I love you too. Okay. Yep, you can. Okay.